Hi there, I'm Claire from english-at-home.com. One of the problems when you speak English is that you want to be both fluent and accurate, but this is difficult because you're trying to do two things at the same time. So there is something that you can do, and this is to use a type of simplified grammar that we use just for conversations. And when you use this simplified grammar, it means that your conversations are easier and that you sound more natural. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use this kind of simplified grammar for easier, more natural English conversations. Omit the subject for simple replies. When someone asks you a question, you can reply but without using the subject. So for example, if someone asks you, "Are you going out this weekend?" you can reply, "Don't know," rather than saying, "I don't know." Or if someone says to you, "Will the match go ahead?" and you can say, "Depends," or "Depends on the weather," rather than saying, "It depends." Or someone could ask you, "Where's David?" and you can reply, "At work," rather than saying, "He's at work." So in these examples, you omit the subject. Use so and do for short replies. We can use so and do to replace the whole of the sentence before. So when you use so and do, it means that your replies are much shorter, and it also means you don't have to try and remember everything that happened before. And we often use so with thinking verbs like think or hope or suppose. So for example, "Is this the right place?" and you say, "Yes, I think so." And this so replaces "it's the right place." Or, "Do you think I should apply for the job?" and you reply, "Yes, you could do." And this do replaces the whole of apply for the job. "Do you think I should apply for this job?" "Yes, you could do." Use what to reply. When someone says something which is surprising or shocking, you can reply with a what question. For example, someone says, "I'm leaving right now," and your reply is, "You what?" rather than saying, "What are you doing?" Or here's another example, "She said she's going to the police." "She said what?" rather than saying, "What did she say?" Or, "And then he threw the chair across the room." "He did what?" rather than saying, "What did he do?" Remember, if you're going to use this technique, your voice must rise. You said what? He did what? And you must also stress that what, so it makes you sound more interested in the conversation. So that's just one technique to have more natural, simple conversations. And don't forget, if you want to use more of these techniques and if you want to get to advanced level fast, you can download my 5-step action plan, and the link is up there and it's also in the description box below. These tips will help you become an advanced English speaker, and I also share tips that you won't find anywhere else. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another English video. Thanks for watching. Speak soon. Bye bye.